Do you like candles? Almost forgot. Do you like scented candles? Well, we have the DIY for you.
What we doing?
We're making homemade candles!
What?
Homemade candles.
So what we have here? We have some coffee and some old candles. And
this one smells very good.
And some, yeah. So these jars are the ones that you're going to use. So what you're going to do first, you have to shred this and remove this katini. It's called what? Wick. It's a wick or something.
Let's just call it string.
Yeah, this is what you're going to use later. So now we want it to melt.
So we tell you guys when it's ready.
So 2 chopsticks, then we're going to attach them using.
What are you going to do with the chopsticks?
Now, chopsticks are going to support this candle wood thing. So we put like that. We insert this one.
Oh, that's exactly what I was thinking.
Like that. Then we use a peg to hold it like that so that it doesn't fall. So now we're going to pour the stuff inside like that. So this is just going to support our cotton. Is it a wink? Is it a wink? It's called what?
It's called summer thinking.